How to withdraw money from Bybit to your bank account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Bybit account, and on your Bybit you will have to click on this option of buy crypto, then select the option of P2P trading. After that, wait for it to load. Now on P2P, make sure that you select the option of sell. Here, select the crypto of your choice that you have in your account. You can select 4 cryptos over here according to your preferences, and suppose you have BTC in your wallet, just simply select BTC, then select the crypto, then select the currency of your country, and after that you can select the payment method that you want to use for this particular transaction. And suppose you want to get it on bank transfer, just simply select bank transfer and click on confirm. And in case if you want to go for more filters, just simply click on this option of filter and check it out. After that, select the person over here, any person. I am currently ineligible because I have not verified my identity and this is a new account, that's why I'm not eligible for it. Otherwise you will be eligible for all the transactions. Just simply select any particular person, but make sure that you are selecting someone with high completion rate, as the chances of fraud reduces significantly with higher completion rate. Just select any particular person over here, make sure that all the other options are also there, and check out their limit and the BTC or the crypto available with them, and also check the payment method. Now just simply sell your crypto and it will be sold to this particular person, and this particular person will be sending the money in your bank account. And this way you would be able to complete the P2P transaction and you would be able to receive the money from your Bybit account to your bank account. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.